how much pollution you can get out of a 3D printer, like air pollution I'm talking about. Alright, here we go. This is my PM2.5 calculator. It is UT938C model, and I am going to extrude, usually my average for 1 hour is around 22, so 22 PM2.5 range. And I have a small cabinet here which has a filter right there, right on the top. And what I'll do is now I'm going to extrude some bit amount of, just a little bit of filament. So you can see at the moment starting to climb up because the nozzle is heating, and now it's going down. Wait and see. As soon as it hits the extrusion mark, it will take some time. Unfortunately, it's 130 degrees Celsius at the moment. Let's see. There you go. Alright, still loading. This is ABS filament, by the way, and it is the, I think it's not a filament original, but yeah, you can see that is some Chinese import or the eBay. And I have a lab power supply running the whole light setup here, and as well as like I have a filter there, which is not very efficient, but you know, better than nothing. And it's almost fully enclosed, but at the back I have some hinged door, so when I'm removing the prints I can just like technically, you know, lift the back and collect the print. So taking the time, 200, 220 is coming there. And you can see that at the moment, so it all seems fine, all seems fine. Wait until the extrusion. I have also a small CPU fan there. I just technically put it there with a M3 or M4 bolt, small bolt, and now you can see that the whole thing. Alright, it should start right away. Yep, I have also silenced the speaker, very annoying. There you go, seems fine, right? You can see like, oh fine. This is all outside the cabinet, by the way. I have some, not perspex, but some kind of vinyl. And there you go. It's fine, right? You can see the number. It's there. It's extrusion. Nice, nice, beautiful. Alright, now check this out. I'm going to put my PM2. That's just, unfortunately I don't have 3 hands. Alright, now there we go. It is inside the cabinet, and watch this extrusion. Now check it out. I don't think that this is a good result for your lungs. Whoopee. Oh. So at that, you know, initial burn or whatever, it just goes to max, it maxes it out, and then it tends to stick around, you know, 4 times or 5 times the normal, you know, average. So there's again, it's coming again, another extrusion. Oh, there you go. Here comes the spaghetti. There you go. That is why I can also smell the fumes, which is not a good thing. But the filter is just a normal, you know, air filter, mask air filter. I just technically put it right on the top, not to actually to the top, and there's a fan, so it's just like, you know, sucking from down to top. Very quick video about dangers of inhaling the fumes from 3D printers. So if you don't have any kind of filter, you're inhaling this all the time straight. And I stopped the extrusion. Now you can see that if I go with it again, just like another one, my 1 hour average is around 22, by the way, 22 PM2.5. Here we go. Still not extruding, by the way. It's just like, you know, it's just leftover fumes. Here it comes. Oh, I can smell the. There you go. It's now extruding. Yeah. Interesting. It's got sort of stabilized at the moment, but you can see sometimes it hits to 100 plus 120, and sometimes it's just like, you know, around, you know, 70, 80. That's it.